Hello friends, I am Deepanshi Sharma. Welcome to my YouTube channel Genius Deepanshi and I hope you are doing well. In this pattern, I will start using nested for loop because in this pattern this is a row wise pattern and also formed a rectangle triangle pattern, and in this pattern 0 and 1 point in a row wise in an alternative way, and we used nested for loop to draw this pattern. So nested for loop is a loop in which for outer for loop inside inner for loop, that is called nested for loop. Firstly, we create outer for loop with the help of a variable. So firstly, we declare two variable I and j. I is used for outer for loop for moving the rows, and j variable is used for inner for loop to move the loop in 4 columns. So firstly we create outer for loop, and we initialize I equals to 0 and check condition if I less than 5 and I increment to 1, because number of rows equals to 5, and inside the outer for loop we create another for loop that is called inner for loop, and in this inner for loop we initialize j variable to 0 and check condition j less than equals to I and j increment to 1, because inner for loop is used to form the rectangle triangle pattern, and inside this inner for loop we point outer loop variable that is I and I mod 2, and outside this inner for loop we used backslash and for cursor to the next line when completing each row. So I hope you understand. When you compile this program, this program formed a rectangle triangle pattern, but not exactly that is shown in the above figure. So we used inside the inner loop j less than equals to I, and inside this inner for loop we used I mod 2 with the help of printf function. So successfully this particular pattern it is shown below. So if you have any doubt you can ask me anytime in the comment section. This is the easiest way to draw this pattern, because in this pattern this is a row wise and also formed a rectangle triangle pattern. Like, share and subscribe our channel Genius Deepanshi, and thanks for watching. If you have any query or ask me in the comment section, and have a great day, and thank you so much guys.